Each BOQ item helps break down the project into manageable, costed components, providing a clear picture of what is required to complete each aspect of the work. To improve efficiency, BOQ item templates can be created and grouped into recipes, allowing for quick, consistent estimating across similar projects or tasks. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to build template recipes using your BOQ item templates. To create your BOQ item templates, watch one of the following videos. Importing BOQ item templates. Creating a BOQ item template record. Once you have BOQ item templates, you can build your template recipes. To get started, go to the recipes in the main navigation. Click on the blue Create Recipe button. Under Recipe Details, the record type will default to a template. Give your recipe a name and add a description if required. There are a number of features you can access under the additional tabs. The Auto Create feature is used in the Create BOQ Estimate widget. The Stage field is used to group your recipes in the Add Recipe widget. You can create unique stages by adding a title to the stage. Under the Grouping tab, these values can be used in reporting or grouping recipes in the Convert to Proposal widget. Finally, the Consolidated tab supports adding recipes together in your proposal and providing a description for the consolidated recipe. Each of these features have their own videos for you to explore and learn more. Now we are ready to add the BOQ items. In the table below, click on the icon in the BOQ item field. This will open the BOQ item records. To use recipe templates, it's important to remember that the selected BOQ items are also template records. Click on the filter and select Template under Record Type. If you imported your BOQ items, it is helpful to import the recipe name. Now you can search the recipe name under the filters. I'm going to search Site Preparation. Now click on Apply Filter. You can only select one record at a time. Choose a BOQ item to add to your recipe. This will automatically appear in the table. Do not complete the other columns. These will automatically be updated once you've finished adding all items. Now click on Add Row and repeat the process to add the remaining BOQ item templates to the recipe. Once you have added all the items, click on Save. Your template recipe is now created. Click on the BOQ Items tab to see the items included. To modify your recipe, you can add items from here, or use the edit icon at the top to return to the previous screen. Now watch the BOQ estimating video to learn how to use your template recipes.